Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, today in your 6th standard, you study about only new chapter that is understanding elementary shapes are here. The chapter number is what? Chapter number 5, understanding elementary shapes. Dear students, you will learn about only basic geometrical idea in the previous class. You will learn about basic idea in geometry, only lines, angles, and also rays. This like only polygons. This like numbers are only basic geometry. Next, you study about only what are the elementary shapes in your geometry. The first one you can study about only lines, comparing of lines and angles, revolution of angles and with the times, perpendicular lines. Only study about only these things. The first one you study about only lines. You can study about only lines. What are the lines? In the lines, the so many types are here: curve line, straight line, line segment, rays are here. For example, the first one is what? Line segment. Line segment is the line segment is what? The line segment is a line have two end point is got, that is line segment. The next one is what? A straight line. Straight line. Straight line is what? The line have no end point, or otherwise a line have opposite direction, so no end point is called, that is straight line. The next one is what? Third one is ray. Rays are what? Ray means a line have only one direction, only one end point is called, that is ray. Next one also curve line also here, no problem. What about the line segment? You can study only lines in the comparing of lines. Therefore, consider AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. In the AB, the midpoint is C. When the midpoint is C, you can consider, therefore AC is equal to BC, because in the AB line, C is the midpoint of AB. When midpoint of AB, therefore AC is equal to BC. And also AC plus BC is equal to AB. This is also one reason. Only comparing of lines. Therefore, AC is equal to BC, and also AC plus BC is equal to AB. That's the one condition is there. Or otherwise, again second consider, therefore AB is the one line segment. The next one is what? Consider C is the one midpoint of C is the one point on the in between A and B, and also D is also in between A and B, that is D. But this R portion is equal. R portion is equal. For example, AC is equal to DC and DC is equal to BD. All three units are equal. Therefore, next we will comparing this like. Therefore, AC is equal to CD. CD is equal to BD. And also, we can compare AD is equal to what? AD is equal to sum of AC plus sum of CD. Therefore, AC plus CD. Therefore, that is AD. Or otherwise, and also you can verify AC is equal to BD. Yes or no? Check yourself once again. AC is equal to BD or not. Therefore, AC is equal to BD is the, therefore AC plus CD is equal to, this like is the, therefore consider AC is equal to CD in the given. AC is equal to CD, and also CD is equal to BD. First equation and second equation. Comparing these two, BD common same as it is. Therefore, AC is equal to BD is the. This like only comparison of line segments are here. Only comparison of lines. In your scale, in the scales, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter is the, and also 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter is the. This like comparison of meters, length or centimeter, millimeter is the. And also in the dividing, in the divider you can use the length of the sides in the equal divisor. And also next one is what? We can study about angles. Angles are here. The next concept is angles. Angles. In your previous class, you learned about more concept in angles in your activities. The two scales are in the rotation in the clockwise directions. That is also very important. Next, we can study about the angles. Angles are only acute angle or otherwise acute angle. Next, obtuse angle. Next, right angle. Next, straight angle. Next, reflect angle. The last one is complete angle. Last one is what? Complete angle is complete angle. Dear students, acute angles are this like is the acute angles are angle is less than 90 degrees called. Less than 90 degrees called, that is acute angle. Obtuse angle is less than 180 degree and more than 90 degrees called, that is obtuse angle. And also right angle is equal to 90 degrees called, that is right angle. What about straight angle? Straight angle is also equal to 180 degree. Angle is equal to 180 degree is called, that is straight angle. What about next? Reflect angle. Reflects angles is therefore angle is less than 360 degree and more than 180 degrees called, that is reflect angle. What about complete angle? Complete angle is what? Angle is exactly equal to 360 degree. 360 degrees called, that is complete angle. These all are angles are only angles. In the angles, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, reflect angle, complete angle. These all are angles. But acute angle is less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle is less than 180 degree, more than 90 degree. Right angle is exactly 90 degree. Straight angle is exactly 180 degree. Reflect angle is less than 360 degree, more than 180 degree. The last one, complete angle, is exactly 360 degrees. Got it? This types of only types of angles, and also you can measure the angles also here. Next one is what? Before studying about the revolution of the time, we study about only perpendicular line. What are the perpendicular lines? Therefore, one line is perpendicular to another line. Therefore, these two are perpendicular line. L line statement and also M line. L and M are perpendicular lines. Therefore, these two lines are intersect with the perpendicularly. In the middle, these two are 90 degrees. 90 degrees. For examples of perpendiculars in your real world examples, in your Cartesian plane, x-axis, and y-axis. Consider the x-axis is the horizontal to your earth surface, y-axis is vertical to your earth surface. This is your perpendicular lines. And also some real world examples of your perpendicular lines in your classroom. The walls, one wall is perpendicular to your slab. This like also here. And also the corners of the blackboards or green board. This corner is the perpendicular to this last side. Only sides are. And also these some examples of perpendicular. The next we can study about only revolutions of the time with the angles or revolution. What is the meaning of revolution? Dear students, you learn about in the perpendicular lines, angles, and also revolutions. For example, consider one circle is the one circle. This is one circle in the middle. This is a clock. This is wall clock is the. This is wall clock. 12 is the. This is 1, 2, 3 is the, and also 4, 5, 6 is the, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is the. Okay. This is your clock. Hands are here. Hour hand, and also minutes hand. This like minutes hand is the. This is revolutions of our clockwise. This is hour hand and minutes hands. Which angle is measured? Now this is time 12 to and 3. In between 12 to and 3, that angle is made for only 90 degree. One hand is 12, one hand is 3. In between these two hands, that is the angle is 90 degree. 90 degree. Next one is what? One hand is 12, another hand is 6 is there. 12 and 6. In between these two hands, the angle is 180 degree. 90 plus 90 means 180 degree. This like this. This like 180 degree. What about next? Hands are 12 and 9. 12 and 9. One hand is 12, one hand is 9. This like this. This angle is 270. 270 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth quadrants are here. Quadrants. This is 180 means, therefore 90 degree is what? 1/4 of revolution. 1/4 of revolution. Revolution. Next, 180 degree is what? That is 180 means half of revolution. Half of, or otherwise 1 by half of revolution. Half of revolution. Next one is what? 270 degree. 270 degree means what? That is 3/4 of revolution. Revolution. Next, 360 degree is what? Complete revolution. Complete angle or complete revolution. Complete one revolution. Revolutions. This likes are here. Therefore, only you can study about, and also in your clock 6 to 12 to 6 is 180 degree, straight line is there, and also 1 to 7 is straight line is there, 180 degrees there, and also 2 to 8 is 180 degrees there, 180 degree. 3 to 9 is also 180 degree. Next, 4 to 10 is also 180 degree, 180 degree. Next, 11 to 5 is also 180 degree. Next, 6 to 12 is also 180 degree. Next, 7 to 1 is also 180 degree. But 90 degree are what? What are the 90 degree? 12 and 3 is 90. 1 and 4 is 90 degree. 2 and 5 is 90 degree. 3 and 6 is 90 degree. Next, 4 and 7 is 90 degree. 5 and 8 is 90 degree. Next, 6 and 9 is 90 degree. Next, 7 and 10 is 90 degree. Next, 8 and 11 is 90 degree. Last, 9 and 12 is 90 degree. 90 degree means 1/4 of revolution. 180 degree is half of the revolutions. The complete one is, that is one revolutions. This like is that, and also 270 degrees 3/4 of the revolution. In this one, some questions are here in your textbook. Solution of some questions in your fractions, revolutions of this like this. Okay, study about. Okay, next question is what? In the exercise 5.4, what fractions of clockwise revolutions does the hour and through the clock turn to the clock turn through? First one is what? 3 to 9. In the clockwise, the hands are 3 to 9 hours. This is 3 to 9 hours. This angle is what? What is the revolutions of in the fractions? The first one is what? Very easy. Therefore, first one 3 to 9 is this angle is 180 degrees. The 180 degree is what? 180 degree means half the revolution. Half the revolution means only 1 by 2 revolution. This fraction is what? 1 by 2. The second one is what? 4 to 7 is the 4 to 7. Here is 4. 4 is here. 4. Next 7 is here 7. Therefore, this is 90 degrees. 90 degree means 1/4 of revolutions. Therefore, 1 by 4th of revolution, that is 1 by 4 is the fractions. The next third one is what? 7 to 10 is the 7 to 10. Therefore, this one is what? 7 to 10. Again, 7 to 10 is the, this is also 90 degrees. This is also 90 degree. 90 degree means what? 1/4 of revolution. 1 by 4th is the fractions. Next one is what? Fourth one is what? 12 to 9. 12 to 9 is the, where is 12? 12 is here. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is. Oh, this question is what? 270 degree. 270 degree is what? 90 means 190, 290, 390. That is 3 by 4th. 3 by 4th of the revolution. That is 3 by 4 is the fractions. Again, each one and F1 you can do in your homework. Homework is E1 and F1. The next questions are, again write next questions. Next questions are, where will the hand of the clock stop at bit? The question is, where is the stop at the our hand? First one is starting at 12. This hand is starting in here 12 is the starting hand is 12 is the up to how much revolution? 1 by 2 of the revolutions. 1 by 2 means that is half of the revolution. This like is the. This like this. Therefore, this like this. 1 by 2 means the half of the revolution. That is starting 12 to 6. That is 12 to 6. That now that hand is starting with only 6 hands. 6 is the 6 point. That is stop. Next second question is start with 2. Start at 2 and mark it half of the revolutions where that hand is stopped. Again, the starting at 2. Our hand is starting at 2. Again, how much revolution? 1 by 2. The half the revolutions. 2 to 8 is that. 2 to 8. This is the here. Therefore, 1 by 2, that is 180 degree. That is 8 point is only 8. Next ones are start at 5. Start at 5. 1/4 of the revolutions. Again, you can take starting. Our hand is 5. Starting at 5 is the only 1/4 of revolutions. 1/4 of revolution is only this like is the. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 8 is the. This like only this 90 degrees. This is 8. This stop at 8 only. Stop at 8 only. The last one is what? Start at 5. Again, start at 5. Next one is makes 3 by 4th of the revolution. 3 by 4th of the revolution is what? 270 degree. One is 90 degree. Again, this also 90. Next one is what? This also 90 degree. Therefore, this angle is what? 270 degree. Therefore, at 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock, that is stop. 2 o'clock at stop is that. This like is that. Starting with 5. 3 by 4 means that is 2. 1 by 2 means that is 11. Only 1/4 is 8 is that. This like study only clockwise directions. Okay. Next one is what? In the clockwise directions. In the clockwise, you can mention the all directions: east, west, north, south directions. In these questions, the which directions will you face if you start facing? First question is what? East and makes half of the revolutions clockwise direction. Clockwise, and also this question is anti-clockwise. The first question is what? East from. Starting is east is here. Starting east to half the revolution of anti-clockwise directions. Half is east to west. That is half. That is answer is facing at the west only. West. Answer is west. Next one is what? East and makes one integer 1 by 2. One integer 1 by 2 means again east is the place is east. One revolution means one clockwise direction. One is completely one. What about next? Again half is the, that is half. That is also again west is the. This is also west is the. What about next? West and make it 3 by 4 of the revolutions and anti-clockwise. Starting with west. Here starting with west. Clockwise is here, but anti-clockwise this like reverse order is done. Reverse order is 3 by 4 of here. Therefore, east, west, 90s, that is 1/4, south. Half the revolution is east. Next, north is. This is north. This like anti-clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. Therefore, west, south, north. Sorry, east, north is. Answer is north is. North. The next one is what? The last one, south. South to this south to how much? One full revolution. One full revolution. That is one full revolution is what? That is again south. Again south same as it is. Again south. Again south this like this. Okay. More example you can study about in your example homework. The practice more examples and also exercise. Discuss with your friends and also with me also. Shall continue next class.